everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. Today's video we're going to go through what I've decided to pack for my next trip. I'm actually going away for only 3 weeks this time, and a lot of that time is going to be traveling, so I'm not actually going to be, in place doing my makeup, that kind of stuff. So I just figured I wouldn't bring quite as much as last time. So right over here we're dealing with all my skincare. So I'm bringing my Sunday Riley, Luna, and Good Jeans. I have my Belief moisturizer. I got this big size sample of this Boscia pore pudding that I want to try out. Also, I have this Supergoop sunscreen and this Mirage sunscreen I was meaning to use, but I forgot to take with me the last time, and I'm going to be in Georgia, so it's going to be very hot. These are the primers and stuff I'm taking right now. This is my regular stuff. I'm almost out of this Hourglass, but I just got a new 100-point perk version of it, plus my Kat Von D powders. These are the concealer. I'm going to be taking this Kat Von D Locket as well as the Becca Under Eye. I have a separate pile for my stage makeup, which will also include a different concealer. I'm also taking my new Kat Von D Signature Brow Pencil because I love that thing, plus my perfume. I'm just going to take one little sample size. The two blushes I'm bringing are Milani Bella Bellini and Becca Camellia. I'm actually going to bring a bunch of my Fenty sticks, so I'm taking Confetti, Unicorn, Yacht Life, and Starstruck because I haven't been using these as much. Figured I would bring them with me. And then for foundation that's not for stage, I'm bringing my Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick and my Dr. Jart BB Cream for days I don't feel like actually doing makeup, but I want to have sunscreen on. Then looking at my highlighters, I am going to bring that Lancome palette. I brought it with me the last time, and I actually quite liked it, and I didn't worry about it because I'm not super invested in it, but it looks pretty good for stage show. I have my Wet n Wild. This is in Blossom Glow, my Becca Champagne Pop. I'm also bringing Becca Prismatic Amethyst because I missed it, my Cover FX palette, and my Hourglass Metallic Strobe Lighting palette because I missed those when I was away and I wanted to have them with me this time. If we pivot right here, this is all my stage makeup. So my Smashbox, this is my outdoor stuff. So my Smashbox because it has sunscreen in it, my Kat Von D Outlaw lipstick, my blush, my Stila Glitter and Glow to give me a little bit of oomph, and then I've been using up that Too Faced chocolate bar. I'm getting so close to it. I'm starting to almost get pan on something. I'm very excited about that. Anything with the sticker, the black and gold sticker on it, that's a Project Pan item. So I am trying to use all of those up. Pivoting over here, I'm bringing my two little sample size Cover FX things. So that's in the shades Moonlight as well as the glitter drops in the shade Mirage. I'm also bringing some more Stila Glitter and Glow and then one of my Wet n Wilds because I really just like those for if I don't feel like doing a lot of makeup. For mascara, I brought my two Project Pan mascaras and then they're about to be completely empty. So I also brought the Lancome Monsieur Big and the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye because I have no idea if those are any good, but I need to have something because I don't think these are going to last more than another couple of days. Those are all the brushes I'm bringing. Then we get up here. This is all of my lip stuff. I have some Sephora lip creams that I was starting to get ready to use those to do a video, and then I forgot them in the bottom of my bag, and I couldn't find them for a while, but I finally found the purse that I'd thrown them in, and I brought them back out, so I want to wear those a little bit more before I do my review on them. And also I just brought a little bit of a variety, but not nearly as much lipstick as I brought the last time, because while I did wear a lot of it, I didn't need nearly as much as I brought. And then over here for eye stuff, the two eyeliners I brought were the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner and one of the ink liners. I think this one is in the shade Dolly, yes. And then these are the 5 eyeshadow palettes I decided to bring, excluding the Too Faced Chocolate Bar, which is for my stage makeup, but otherwise I decided to bring the Kat Von D 10th Anniversary Collection eyeshadow because I really haven't used that enough yet. I've used it a couple of days since I just got it, but I'd like to use it some more. I also am bringing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture because I really enjoy that palette if I'm going for more of a neutral look. And then I brought all 3 of my Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. So the Electric and the Smoky, which I already have, and the Gemstone, which I got, which is very new, which I'm really, really enjoying. Anyway, so this is everything. This is considerably less makeup than I brought with me previously, but that was trip that was almost twice as long. This is only about 3 weeks, and a lot of that's going to be travel time, so I'm not going to need to do like a full face of makeup, but I do have a number of shows, so I do need all my stage makeup, but then I wanted to have some stuff to play with. And I was bringing some of my newer palettes so I would get a chance to try them out a little bit more, because, that's what this is for. So I'm excited to use this, and I'm also excited because I know a couple of these things are not going to be able to make it back with me, because I'm pretty sure, well, I know that those Project Pan mascaras, I'm throwing those out at the end of this trip. They're almost dry at this point. That Makeup Forever is going to be done, and if I'm lucky, I'll finish that Tarte blush, because man, I am sick of using it. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I feel like this is a good amount of stuff. I have enough of an array of lipsticks that I have some choices, because I like to have choice. and otherwise, you know, that's what I'm going to be wearing. So there will be more content tomorrow, but then there may be a day off as I'm traveling because I will be driving at least 7 hours a day for the next 3 days. So I will try to film every day, but if that doesn't happen, that's where I'll be. So I'll see you guys when I get there in Georgia, and I'll definitely film from my new space. Hope you all have a wonderful night, and I will see you all soon. Bye!